Friends, I think all of you have been following this series that we have been doing regarding the type of business entities. Today we will be discussing about LLP, that is Limited Liability Partnership under the Ministry of Companies Act, MCA. Simply put, an LLP means a business entity with two person or more on board as partners. The LLP has to register with the Registrar of Companies under MCA. Name clearance has to be applied with a prescribed fee, which will be approved in 2 to 3 days on the basis of availability. Point to note is that similar or restricted names will not be allotted. Registrar of Companies fee payable as prescribed on capital. An LLP deed should contain the following details. Partnership deed has to be drafted with the detail of partners, name and address, nature of activity. Specify the bank operation by stating any one or all jointly or any two or any one particular person. The capital ratio, profitability ratio, condition of partners remuneration, LLP preconditions, legal jurisdictions. Process of registration of LLP. Procuring DSC for all partners, applying for name clearance, submit application for LLP registration with LLP deed along with the application for DIN, that is Director's Identification Number. The registrar will approve the registration after satisfying all documents are in order and issue LLP registration certificate, which will normally take 7 to 15 days from the date of application. Along with the LLP certificate, PAN and TAN will also be issued. Documents required for registration: PAN card of all the partners, rental agreement of the business place, along with the electricity bill of the business place, photograph of all partners, Aadhaar card or passport or driving license for address proof of all partners. Points to be borne in mind: LLP is a limited liability concept. That means, in the eventuality of business losses, the partner's personal assets are not liable for the company's liability. However, if the personal guarantee of the partner is extended to the loans, those specific loans will be covered as unlimited liability. There is no turnover restriction for partnership. They are entitled to do all legally permitted businesses in India and overseas. The income tax for the LLP shall be as prescribed under the Income Tax Act. In our opinion, an LLP is a good form of business, especially technology oriented, and looks for B2B as their clients and for businesses or service, which is not family owned. Friends, now it must be clear as to how and what of an LLP. Stay tuned for our next video, which will be on OPC, one person company. Thank you.